Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to rotate viewport. So you can go to layout and in here we have the default viewport. You can select and then you can resize the viewport. Now if you want to rotate this viewport, you can type rotate, press enter, and then you can choose for the best point. I will click in here, best point. Now you can rotate the viewport like into 45 degree. You can type 45 and press enter. Okay, use move tools to move the viewport. If you want to create new viewport, you can type view, press enter, and I will create in here the new viewport. After it, you can use the rotate tools to rotate the viewport, like from this point for base, and I will rotate into 15 degree, and you can press enter. So that's it for a basic AviCAD tutorial, how to rotate viewport. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.